Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. I'm so excited for you to stop by. Today's video is for all of you who are bow challenged, who are scared, never made a bow before, or just need a little bit more practice. I have a very easy trick for you. It's called the Bestie Bow. It's my subscribers' favorite and anybody could do it and you don't need any special gadget. Hi Coco. My puppy just joined us. Anyway, I'm gonna make a bow today out of the Dollar Tree ribbons. I wanna show you that you don't have to spend a lot to achieve a beautiful, high-end looking bow. Let's get started. Bonus alert! I just wanted to try on a bow and wind up doing the whole wreath. So at the end of this video, you can watch a full grapevine wreath tutorial. Also, I want you to meet the newest member of our family, Tweety. My son has been begging us to get a bird, and finally his dream came true, so there he is. Hi, hi kitty. Say hi to my besties. Tweety, say hi to my besties. Say hi to my besties. So we've been making the Bestie Bows here for over a year now. I started my channel in January 2019. So we decorated so many wreaths, lanterns, gift baskets, bouquets, centerpieces, whatnot. But I never had a specific video for the Bestie Bow. And sometimes you would ask me, which video is the best one to reference it? So here it is. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to my besties, because without my besties, they wouldn't be a Bestie Bow. I really appreciate all those special comments you leave for me. I know there's so many bows on YouTube, but you like this one, and that means the world to me, because this is just the easiest. You know, I always try my best to bring you the easiest things and on the budget. So we're going to make a big Bestie Bow today. We're going to use 3 rolls of Dollar Tree ribbon. It comes in 9-foot rolls and it's wired. It's very important to get the wired ribbon. Also, if you have less ribbon, you can also make a Bestie Bow. It's not a problem. I just picked 3 because look how beautiful they are. In addition, you're going to need a piece of a floral wire, which you can get at a Dollar Tree as well. And as I mentioned, no special equipment needed, just the ruler and scissors. So you're going to cut your ribbons in 3 equal pieces, which is 36 inches each. It's good to have a 12-inch ruler, because look what I do. I wrap around my ribbon 3 times, 36, right? So there is the first piece, and the remainder now, I know we'll have 2 more pieces like that, so I simply cut it in half. And that's my easy trick for cutting 3 equal pieces. So we're gonna make a 9-loop bow today, but really you can make as many or as little loops as you like. Next, we are going to cut the fishtails. You put your ribbon ends together, you fold them in half alongside, and cut in an angle. When you open it, ta-da! Both ends cut at the same time. One more time. Put the ends together, fold in half, cut in an angle, and there you go. Do that with all 9 ribbons. Next, cut a piece of floral wire. I like a long piece, about 24 inches long, so I could tie my ribbon well and then use the leftover to tie the bow to the wreath. Oh, look at this love bug just climb my lap. All right, so we are going to measure 6-inch loops today. We're gonna measure, pinch, and hold. Take the next color, measure 6 inches, pinch, and hold. And alternate all the colors. Measure, pinch, and hold. And repeat. And continue doing that with all the loops. If you want to make a smaller bow, cut 24-inch long pieces and make the loops only 5 inches. So I continue measuring and pinching 6-inch and holding, and you can see that it's getting full in my hand. But the key here is to be consistent with the size of your loops. The tails could be longer or shorter. Sometimes we've used leftover ribbons. Each piece was a different size, and the bow still came out beautiful because we had the loops the same size. Here's the last one. Look at that handful, 9 loops. And now we're gonna tie the whole thing together and just turn the whole bow around a few times. That's gonna be a tighter hold this way. Okay, sit this baby down, and now make sure that all your tails are turned the right side up, like these tracks, for example. Not all ribbons are the same on both sides, so you have to make sure that the right side up, and then mix up all these tails. If you're working with more than 2 colors, you don't want the same 2 colors next to each other. Run your fingers through each tail so it will look much better. Just fluff, fluff, fluff. Alright, so we fluffed all the tails, and now we have to separate the loops. So just put your hand through each loop just like so. And as I like to say, just fluff, fluff, fluff until a beautiful bestie bow will appear in front of your eyes. And here it is, big, beautiful bestie bow. How do you like it? How easy was that? Very easy, right? I hope I didn't make it more complicated explaining every single little detail, but I figure since I make a video, I'll show you every single step. Plus, I will leave in the description box below links to other bestie bows that I created in the past, so you can refer to them as well. For example, here I had different lengths of ribbon, just leftovers. I think it was maybe 4 loops, and we did it the exact same way as I showed you here, and still came out a beautiful bow. And you can see here how adding florals all around your bow really brings out the beauty of it as well. And here's another bestie bow example that we had used in a swag. Here's another example where we tied together 2 Dollar Tree Christmas picks and put a bestie bow in the middle and create a beautiful, very easy lantern swag. And here's another example where we used the bestie bow to decorate a tobacco basket for Christmas. Possibilities are endless. Wherever you attach that bestie bow, it will take your craft to another level. So I definitely recommend creating one. Once you try, you're never gonna stop making these. And as promised, here's the bonus video. We made this big, beautiful bestie bow, and I wanted to try it out to show you how it would look on this big grapevine wreath. And I got some florals here from Hobby Lobby that were on sale for only about $2, which is a great deal, better than Dollar Tree in this case. Have some Dollar Tree picks and Dollar Tree pumpkins. And let me show you how quickly we can put this wreath together. First, we separate our florals in half, just like so. Second bushel as well. And we are going to tie it together with a zip tie. And if you want, you can add even more florals, but you don't have to. I just want to show you how little it takes to make a beautiful wreath. You put your bestie bow in the middle, find that wire that's there underneath, and wrap it around that little swag that we just made. Actually, it's not that little. It's a big bow and it's a big swag. You gotta wrap it around that wire a couple times actually, so it stays there well. Just like that, you got a big, beautiful swag that you can decorate a large lantern, your window, or a large wreath. Let me show you. We're actually gonna need to tie it down in a couple places for it to stay well on the wreath. Next, you're gonna bend and separate all the florals and fluff up the ribbon again. Yes, that's key, fluffing up that ribbon. And you can do whatever you like with the tails. You can curl them up on top of your hand, you can straighten them, you can bend them, whatever you like. Let me put this wreath up on the stand so you could see. Doesn't it look beautiful already? It's just $3 worth of ribbon right there and $4 worth of flowers. Can you believe it? How pretty? I can only imagine how much a wreath of this size would cost. Fluff up your ribbons again so they look nice from every angle. Oh, look at my sweet little helper. And now I just want to add a fall pick, one at the bottom here and another one at the top. They have little pumpkins, so it helps to bring out that orange from the ribbon. And I apologize for this. I'm not sure what happened to my camera. Next, use leftover flower stems or picks to attach your pumpkins to the wreath. I use this piercing tool from the Dollar Tree to poke a hole and insert the stem. Feel free to add some hot glue as well. And look, I didn't even remove the leaves. I mean, there's never too much greenery, right? In a wreath. Repeat the same with the rest of the pumpkins. Next, you can insert your pumpkin picks in a wreath. First, the velvet pumpkin. Look how beautiful and rich. I cannot believe they have these beautiful pumpkins for just $1. And now I'm going to add the green one for some contrast. And another orange. How about right there? Of course, I'm going to glue them down once I like the position they're in. But now I'm looking that I need a little bit pop of orange at the top of my wreath as well. So I'm going to use just the Dollar Tree florals. I cut a few to separate. And I'm going to insert 3 of them at the top. One right here, another one, let's say, here, and one by the bow. And let's see, maybe right there. And I have one left. How about on the inside there? Yeah, that's better. Once you like how everything is looking, you're gonna glue it down. Use Dollar Tree leaves to fill in any holes that you see, like right here between the pumpkins. And ta-da! We are done! Such a richness. Traditional fall colors. I wonder if you like that. Also, it was so quick and easy to make. I bet you like that part. And how do you like the big bestie bow? Please comment down below, let me know. All right, my besties, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll feel a little bit more confident now. Actually, I believe in you. I know you can make it because that's the easiest bow ever. So please share your pictures with me, comment down below, let me know how you're doing. If you have any questions, I'm here for you. And see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like this one, subscribe to my channel, so you're gonna know when I return here next time. Take care. Bye bye.